Hello, Cloud Dwellers! As part of our ongoing Marketing Cloud Cert review, we're back today to explore another question that has to do with data management. This time, we're exploring what a data extension is and how it works within Marketing Cloud. Let's check it out. This week's question asks simply, what is a data extension? Well, a data extension is really a table of data that we can put information into and then utilize it later. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like in context. Now, the data extension is really just a collection of different data points, what we would call attributes. For example, we have the identifier for the individual. That would be an attribute called prospect ID, their email address, their first name, their last name, etc. And this allows us to go into something like status, saying, I'm looking only to talk to people whose current status is expecting and whose state is Louisiana. And in this way, we can narrow down and find a granular group of people to turn into an audience that we can talk to. We can also use the data here to be able to say, I want to be able to personalize the emails or the SMS text messages I send out the door by saying, hey, how are you, Reese, or, Drew, or whoever it is, and putting the first name value in there. So it really serves those two purposes. So that said, now let's talk about the possible answers we have here, including answer A, which says it is a field level encryption key. No, it's not. It's actually a data table where we store data that we might need for other purposes. And it has nothing to do with encryption. It has nothing to do with field level encryption. It has nothing to do in the context of Marketing Cloud. So we're going to say, no, thank you for that. And then let's go to B. It says it's a built-in report for campaigns. It's also not a report. It is a data table. It has nothing to do with campaigns. It really is just information we have on people. So we're going to say, once again, that's not a very good answer for us. Answer C is offering up a table that stores subscriber or relational data. Well, that sounds very plausible. Let's take a look at answer D and see if there's anything better there. And it says it is a type of email content block. So if we're working in Content Builder, it might be something we would plug into an email, but the answer is not accurate. No, it is not a type of email content block. It is, in fact, answer C, which is a table that stores subscriber or relational data. So yeah, that's where we're going to this week. To explore other questions and answers surrounding Marketing Cloud certification and mastery, please subscribe to this channel and we'll drop a new question for you to check out every week. Also, this question was taken directly from our new and free certification quiz featuring 125 practice questions covering the Email Specialist certification exam. If this sounds like something that you could use, simply go to blueclouduniversity.com and click on the Cert Prep tab to get started. Thanks for dropping by. I'll see you again next time.